To make this raspberry cake, we will start with making a sponge cake. Place 3 eggs in a bowl, add half a cup of sugar, and beat until mixture is thick and creamy, about 10 minutes. Add half a teaspoon of lemon rind, half a cup of flour, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Put a piece of parchment paper at the bottom of an 8 or 9-inch springform pan and pour your batter in it. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. For the Bavarian cream, heat 1 cup of milk, do not boil. Put 3 egg yolks and 1/3 cup of sugar in a bowl and mix with a whisk until smooth. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly. Place the bowl that contains the egg mixture on top of a lightly simmering pot of water. Cook, stirring continually until it thickens slightly. This will take at least 10 minutes, so be patient. You will know it's ready when the mixture coats the back of a spoon without quickly dripping off. Remove from the heat immediately. Place 1/3 cup of water in a bowl. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of gelatin on top. Let it dissolve for a moment, then microwave it for just a few seconds until liquid. Let it cool to lukewarm. Add it to your egg mixture. Cool the custard in the refrigerator, stirring occasionally, until it just begins to set but is still very soft, 30 to 40 minutes. While the custard is cooling, whip 1 cup of cold heavy cream until thick. Gently fold it in the thickened custard. Spread the cream on top of the cooled cake and then put the cake in the fridge to let the cream set. Cover the cake with fresh raspberries. To make the glaze, put half a cup of raspberry jam and half a cup of water in a saucepan and heat to boiling point. Dilute 1 1/4 tablespoon of cornstarch in 1/4 cup of cold water. Add it to the saucepan and stir until it thickens. Let the glaze cool and gently spoon over the raspberries.